Okay, so here is the third and final video I'm hopefully releasing tonight. But I'll be showcasing the Wicked's whitelist and how to use it. So, of course, this is the free version, so you can add app, select server, whatever server. Doesn't fucking matter. It's already in there, don't matter. So I'm not gonna add it. But what we'll do, so add group. Add group is Roblox. So let's say you are a dev for a group or an owner of a group. What you want to do is you'll grab the ID right here in your link. Or if you go to like configure group, it'll also show that right there. So it's kind of anywhere. So then we'll go back to Discord. I'll add group, Control V, put my group ID in there. Now my group is whitelisted. And then if you always are curious if it actually worked, I'll just delete all this because this is all me showcasing. Here we go. This shows all of my products, all of my groups. Look at that. What is my ID? Oh, there we go. It's on there. Now let's say I want to remove it. I go / remove, and then I go down to group, and then I enter my group ID. And then I remove my group. I'll check my user info again. And while it takes forever to load, there we go. And now I only have one group. Okay, so that's how you configure your groups. So now we'll check what's the next thing. This is only if you use it in a server that you want staff. So of course, like, we'll just add this random person, and then of course what you need to do before this is set up server. So you got your customer role, my customer support role, my marketing staff, how much Robux I want my tickets to make per claim, how much market Robux they should make, my ticket create category, so it'll be tickets, allow whitelisting, so this is people that you allow whitelisting, and I just do customer support, in which of course you don't want to be trusting random people with that, so make sure you actually trust the people that use it, otherwise that's your own problem. And then if I want logs for like tickets, yeah, ticket logs, so I just go logs, and then I use setup. There we go. Now it's all set up. Okay, so back to what I was doing. If I want to add staff, and then of course we use a customer support role, and I'm pretty sure it's because they are not linked. Okay, so they're required to be linked to the bot. And that was basically me, because I know this person is in a certain server they're not supposed to be in, but I found them. Let's take somebody that's quite possibly linked. Add staff, mine, customer support. There we go. And then if I want to remove staff, or oh, actually I guess I don't have a remove staff yet. Anyways, I guess you can look up staff profile and look up mine, because I didn't realize I couldn't remove them. So now they're that. We should probably remove this role before they get pinged. Anyways, I guess we'll be adding remove. But what else we got here? We got ban. So you can ban anyone that you want. You'll ban them. Yes. Of course I'm not going to. So, and also it removes all the products from their profiles. So if they have a bunch of products and you ban them, you ban them from all your products that they currently have linked to your server. It removes all of them. And also, if they're whitelisted products, which whitelisting is only a premium option, which I'm setting up. So that'll be kind of a little bit of a thing. And change Robux. So if this mostly applies to customer support. So like, we'll take me for example. And if I want a negative number, I add a minus. If I want a positive number, you just put 40. And now my Robux count is 12,920. Next, what we have here, create product. So this is if you are using the hub, which does come with the bot, which I do sell. I don't sell the hub, it comes free actually when you create a key. Yeah. Fun things. So what's required is you need a file. So like F22. Just put a name F22, product role, Raptor, and then 0. Of course I'm not going to do this because this is for a different server. So, bam. Now let's say I wanted to create a hub. I just go create hub. Of course if I go here, I'm not going to show the API key because that is what controls your hub. That's what is used to check to make sure that it's your hub that's purchasing from. And for the hub, none of the profits go to me or anyone else. They always go to the group that it's under. Because if you've seen with create product, there's a product ID. So that is in, if you see a previous video about how to create developer products, you take the ID, you put it in. And that's how it knows that that's what it is. And so it automatically rolls people too if you have the right product ID. If there is no product ID, it's not going to do anything. So anyways, go back to that. Okay, now I create product logs. So this is for your whitelisting logs. Like right here, whitelist logs, just tells me who's using it, if they're whitelisted. So like, just whitelist logs. You can change this at any time. There you go. Bam, whitelisted. Whitelist logs. So after that, the next function we have is edit product. Let's say I want to edit a product. F22 we'll go with. Okay, that's the name. I want to edit the file. Okay, edit the file. Product ID, if I want to change the product ID, change product ID. Product role, if I want to change it to like admin, you can change that. And so then, that's all for that one. Help. Just do /help. It gives you a name of all of the commands. I would put the descriptions, but there's a lot. And I don't know. I guess I kind of like it this way. So sue me. So this is just all the commands. And then key remove. So let's say you have a key currently to somebody. If you do have a key to somebody, this will change to a number, the Discord ID of the key that is currently given. Someone I know that has that is /user info. I'm pretty sure it's no. Hold on. I know it's somewhere. Right here. Okay. See this? This is actually, the owner is this person. That is that. So that is how you know that you're a key holder. So if I want to remove a key holder, I just type F35A and then just change my ID back to my ID. It was already me to begin with, so it doesn't matter. And then key transfer. This is if I want to give this to somebody. So like, let's say, I don't think Vivian's, so let's go Spooks. F35A. There we go. So now Spooks is the key holder for that plane. Of course, we're going to move this because they don't deserve a plane. Anyways, Wait, did I? Okay. Very good. If I go to my user info, spooks. There we go. No longer shows like it would. Okay, so that's for that. Well, now for the next one. Key transfer we already did. Link, of course, that's just linking your account. You need this in order to be whitelisted. A lot of the functions are linked to this, so a lot of the functions won't work for you if you are not linked through the website, which I am, so I can just go to my dashboard, all this. Of course, updates come out as frequently as I can put them out. I try to have a limited amount of bugs because, of course, I'm trying to update all the planes as well and do all this other stuff. So, just a lot of things. Take some time. Mass whitelist. So this is if I want to whitelist a role that's linked. So like F35A, mass whitelist, 0 user. For some reason this number is not right, but they are actually being whitelisted. I don't know what the hell is going on with the function there, but it's being goofy. It worked and then it stopped working. So like the best thing for that is typically just whitelisting just normally. Obfuscate, this is only a premium option. Not working with some things because it's a Lua obfuscator, not an actual Lua U, which is what Roblox uses. So there's some stuff that will not function correctly maybe, or some things won't work properly. It's kind of a little toss-up until I fix the obfuscator. Premium, this is only in use by me. This is just temporary until I finish debugging the obfuscate. Purge, so this is only if you have the delete message perms, which I want to purge 5. Purging 5 message. There we go. 5 messages are now gone. Very cool. Simple purge command. Very easy. Remove group, already showcased. Remove product. So let's say I want to remove a product. Like TR85. I don't even know if this is working. TR85. Of course, I'm not going to actually remove it. I have no idea if it's working. So that's just how you remove it. Product role, name, all that. And then it'll remove it from, which I'll show later where you find that. Retrieve product. So this, you need to put the exact name of the product, so like F35A, and there we go. You see, if you do not put the right name, it will not send you a file, it will just tell you that it couldn't find it. And then next, this is where we find how we retrieve our file. So of course, I already know I skipped over this, I'm just trying to get to this one. So server info, there we go. These are the names of all the products. Actil, all this. And now, to the one that I skipped. Revoke whitelist. So like, if I want to revoke a whitelist, like spooks. F35B. B, not A. There we go. Now if we check our user info, oh, wrong person. User info, spooks. I'm probably rate limiting my bot doing this, but it's fine. I'm getting pinged by everybody. Okay, so there you go. F35B is no longer there. Of course, we'll re-whitelist them because, yes. Whitelist spooks F35B. So there's that. Setup, we already went over that. Shutdown, shutdown's the bot. But I'm not doing that. Because that will be a function that will be removed. Because I forgot I had that. But only I can shut it down, so it's fine. Staff profile, of course, it shows staff profile for people. Ticket create. So let's say, like if I go to my support channel real quick, right here, here's a message. And I just ticket create description. So this is the channel I wanted in, so support, and that's this description. So of course we're not going to change that. And then we'll go back down to our bot commands, and then we'll just get rid of that, go back to our Wicket's whitelist, unban, that's if you want to unban somebody, and then unlinks your account using the bot instead of the website, in which it deletes everything in the database about your account. Update, so this is when you update something, like if your Roblox needs an update or something, you can always use update. And then user info, of course, is just user info of the user, and then whitelist people. So you got the member and then the plane, the object. And then if somebody requests to have a key holder, you can always put a key holder automatically. And that is it for the showcase of the bot, just so I can now post a video whenever somebody asks me how to do something. Have a great day.